In this activity, you're required to work with the graphs of cos x and sin x. Please notice they both have the same period and an amplitude of 1. What you need to note, though, is your table. The cos of 0 is equal to 1. The cos of 90 degrees is equal to 0. So it starts at 1, goes through to 0. The cos of 45, of course, is equal to root 2 over 2. So at cos of 45, and in fact sine of 45, they're going to be equivalent. So the sine of 0 is equal to 0. The sine of 45 is equal to root 2 over 2. And the sine of 90 is equal to 0. Now I'll just quickly show you these on the graphics calculator. So you can see a beautiful cyclical pattern. It's not possible for me to show these as pi on 2 and pi on 2, pi, 3 pi on 2 and 2 pi, but you've got this on your information sheet. So 0 through 1 down to 0. So 0 to 1 to 0 to negative 1 here at 3 pi and 2 and back to 0 at 2 pi. If I contrast that with the cos case, you can see in red, it lags by half a phase is what they say. It starts off at cos 0 is equal to 1 and then goes through at this point here, cos of 45, pi on 4, they're identical. But at pi on 2, 0, and then of course going through to pi, negative 1, back through to 0, and then up to 1 again as it hits 360. Now it would pay to practice doing that on your calculator. It's possible, of course, to play around with the zoom factors and grids if you so wish. I've run mine from negative 7 to 7, and I've run my axes here from negative 1 to 1. I'll put a scale of 0.5, so for some it might be easier to see. Bear in mind you can't go above 1, can't go below negative 1. Pi is 3.14, so 2 pi is a little below 6. So running it from negative 7 to 7 would help you a lot.